Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Lotus Biscoff milkshake. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and about 6 Lotus Biscoff cookies. You will also need a blender and a tall glass. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened. This helps achieve a smooth consistency. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your 2 cups of slightly softened vanilla ice cream into the blender. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of milk. Finally, add 4 of your Lotus Biscoff cookies. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. If any pieces stick to the sides, just pause, scrape them down, and continue blending for a consistent texture. With your milkshake perfectly blended, it's time to assemble and serve. Carefully pour the thick, creamy Lotus Biscoff milkshake into your tall glass. Take the remaining 2 Lotus Biscoff cookies and crush them into small pieces. You can do this by hand or in a small bag. For an extra treat, top your milkshake with a generous swirl of whipped cream, then sprinkle the crushed cookies over the top for delightful crunch and presentation. Here are some tips and variations to make your milkshake even better. For a thicker shake, use slightly less milk, or for a thinner consistency, add a little more. To intensify the Lotus Biscoff flavor, try adding 1 tablespoon of Biscoff spread directly into the blender. You can also experiment with a drizzle of caramel sauce inside the glass before pouring. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade, delicious Lotus Biscoff milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.